great today because it's Learn French While Cooking Day. The day we learn a bunch of new French words while cooking something simple. So grab a pen and paper and let's go to my kitchen. Here's what we're making today. Cauliflower in French, so it's not that boring. Le chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. Chou means cabbage. Chou also means cute. I know. Yeah. And fleur means flower. Fleur. Fleur.
De l'heure.
De l'heure.
De l'heure.
De l'heure.
De l'heure.
Fleur. For this recipe you will need un chou-fleur, un citron, citron, olive oil, huile. Yeah, there's an H in it, but you don't pronounce it. A lot of times in French, I don't know why, there's like extra letters. I don't know why. Huile d'olive. Huile d'olive. You will need salt, le sel, pepper, le poivre, poivre. Lots of garlic, ail. We'll use some paprika. Write it down. Paprika in French. Paprika. Same. And of course, obviously we need cheese. I mean, is there anything that doesn't require cheese? Fromage. We're gonna use Gruyère today because I'm Swiss. And if you ever go to Switzerland, you must visit the village of Gruyère. Let's cut our chou-fleur. I'm assuming you know how to cut things. I don't, not really. But do the best you can. And if you cut your finger, then here's another French word for you. Sparadrap. And this is a very cute bandaid. I know, right? Here's your whole first French sentence.
Mon sparadrap est chou.
Mon sparadrap est chou. My bandaid is cute. Very useful sentence if you travel to France. Let's get going. Okay, so we have a beautiful cauliflower. And we want to start by removing the base, the green stuff here. So you can cut at the base. You remove the green bottom. There you go. And then we want to remove that center part. Coupez le citron, cut the lemon, pressez le citron, squeeze the lemon, versez, to pour, verser, mélangez, to mix, mélangez, la plaque, the baking sheet, la plaque, coupez l'ail. Cut the garlic. Coupez l'ail en tranches fines, thin slices. Ajoutez l'ail, add the garlic. Ajoutez le paprika. To add the paprika. Let's put our chou-fleur in the oven, dans le four, at 425 degrees. For about 25 minutes. You can slice the other half of the lemon in tranche de citron. Un verre d'eau. Un verre d'eau. Les glaçons. Les glaçons. Un verre d'eau avec des glaçons. Un verre d'eau avec des glaçons. Our cauliflower has been cooking for 25 minutes. It already looks nice and roasted. We're going to add some cheese. We'll put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so, and then we'll broil for another minute or two. Bon appétit! Alright guys, let's try the chou-fleur. Something so good and so good for you too. And the cheese, delicious. And it looks delicious to the eyes too. So that's it. Easy. C'est facile. It's easy. Le chou-fleur, c'est facile. C'est délicieux. Et c'est bon pour la santé. And it's good for your health. It's good for the health. C'est bon pour la santé. Voilà! Merci et bon appétit! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what recipes you'd like to see in French. And I'll see you in the next episode. Chou-fleur. Today we'll enjoy... Today, because it's Learn French While Cooking Day. The day we learn French while cooking. I just said that. Absolument. Bon appétit. Merci. The day we learn a bunch. The day. Okay.